They are geared up to start work from this 1st March only, and some of the wards that work of disilting this month 1st March, somewhere some of the wards, the cleaning of gutters, cleaning of drainages are going on with existing our staffs. Now I am engaging 50 laborers. I already floated one tenders, and the moment tender will be open, and when agency will get 50 laborers, agencies we are going to give work, all 25 wards, to clean the gutters, to clean the drainages, to clean that small nullahs. As far as further preparation is concerned, in the chamber of our chairperson, we call meeting of all our stakeholders.
आता हे नाले पळयात. सीओ सांगता एक परिस्थिती भलतीच.
I am right now here at this Nalla in the old market, very close to Soza Bakery, which is connecting the main thing to the outlet. This, I've been observed that the municipality has still not started the pre-monsoon work, and this Nalla needs immediate cleaning, because if this Nalla is not cleaned, definitely the water will, there are chances of the water going at the road level. It has always been said that the municipality will do pre-monsoon cleaning, they will do this, but this time it has not been done. Therefore, I request the Margao Municipal Council and the Chief Officer, Sri Tavde, to immediately deploy the municipal staff to get this Nalla cleaned, because this is very important. This is the main Nalla that is connecting the water from old market away from the city.
प्रुडंटा खातीर मडगांवच्यान सावयो डायस.